Hello my viewers at home and welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Express. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also, the certified true copy CTC of the Supreme Court ruling on the ongoing political crisis in Rivers State has clarified that the 27 lawmakers accused of defecting from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC) never actually switched parties. The revelation challenges previous claims that the legislators had lost their seats due to defection. The Supreme Court ruling delivered on Friday also took a firm stance against the Rivers State government by ordering the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN), the Accountant General of the Federation and other relevant agencies to withhold funds from the state government. The court accused the government of flagrant disobedience to judicial orders and insisted that it must first comply with the law before funds could be released. In a major political setback for Governor Siminalayi Fubara, the five-member panel of the court unanimously dismissed his cross-appeal, which had challenged the legitimacy of the House of Assembly under the leadership of Speaker Martin Amaewhule. The ruling effectively upheld the authority of the 27 lawmakers who are loyal to the former governor of the state and current Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, D0CUMENTS. Furthermore, the Supreme Court nullified the recent local government elections conducted in Rivers State, declaring them invalid for gross violations of the Electoral Act. The CTC of the judgment provided a detailed explanation of why the 27 lawmakers remain valid members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. According to the court, no legal process was followed to declare their seats vacant, and their alleged defection was not backed by any evidence, the document stated. The 8 respondents had collapsed the Rivers State House of Assembly, therefore no question about any member losing his seat due to defection can validly arise. There must be a functioning House of Assembly for any constitutional processes such as declaring a seat vacant to take place. Only the House itself can declare a seat vacant due to defection, not the governor and not even the court. The judgment further criticized Governor Fubara's attempts to conclude The judgment further criticized Governor Fubara's attempt to exclude the 27 lawmakers from assembly proceedings, calling it an act of chicanery. The court stated that there was no proof that the legislators had joined another political party, such as their names appearing in an APC membership register or holding an APC membership card. It reaffirmed that only a party's official register and membership card serve as legal proof of membership. My viewers at home, was your reaction to this? As a certified true copy CTC of the Supreme Court ruling on the ongoing political crisis in Rivers State clarified that the 27 lawmakers accused of defecting from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC) never actually switched parties. Please drop your reaction in the comment section. Ensure you subscribe to our channel and share this report across all news platforms. Okay. Alright, we're here. Stay tuned, please. Emmanuel Peter says there's nothing in Supreme Court, but they should not forget that God will judge them on the last day as the Supreme Judge. Beloved Roland says they believe that there is no God. They are deep into occult world. Okay, according to Beloved Roland reacting to Emmanuel Peter comment here. G-Men says these shenanigans are trying to mislead the public because the issue of defection or not was not entertained by Supreme Court anyone or document being paraded is fake. Then Wally Cyprian here says the governor and his boys act a lot of drama. Come to think of it, assuming without conceding that they defected, is it the governor that will declare a legislature seat vacant? Stanley Inhuwo says all those calling former members and committee of friends has been put to shame. Then Shooks Odita reacting here to Stanley comments saying we are part of those that has been put to shame. The day you will seek justice in court, you won't get the justice and shame will be on you. Then Benga here also commented saying then the judges must be stupid. Really, of the candid opinion that the judiciary is working for Tinubu and Wike in Rivers State. How on earth could a reasonable judge say that the 27 lawmakers did not decamp? Nigeria's crisis will start somewhere, and the happenings in Rivers is a pointer to the fact that such a crisis may likely start from the state. Then Canis Oparaji here says how did the case of defections develop aerospace projectile judgment and appeal to the Supreme Court from the Port Harcourt High Court mystery? Then Nelson says Naija na joke. David Ola says they dish out what they were ordered to dish. Supreme. Then Polycarp says that the writer are just interpreting law. He knows not about just to deceive the gullible ones. Time will tell. DK Blessing says the judiciary is the major cause of our problem in Nigeria. Shooks Odita says it's obvious that judiciary is the problem of Nigeria. When this CGN was sworn in, I knew Nigeria is gone. She is the most corrupt judge ever misinterpreting the constitution. Then Isa Nigeru says nobody will accept this injustice. Plus 23 says the Supreme Court, this is a Supreme Court where the highest bidder, Corey, okay, ought to be carry, but he says Corey. He say the Supreme Court, this is Supreme Court where the highest bidder carry the glory supremely, and nothing actually supreme about the Supreme Court of Nigeria other than political party dancing obediently to the time beats out of the drum of the ruling party. A lot of these and nothing in the Supreme Court. Tell News says please I beg your pardon, time is never a friend. Ensure you subscribe to our channel. Bye for now. The time is never a friend. Bye for now. Time up, okay? Do join us in the other news, okay? Thanks so much for listening, and ensure you subscribe to our channel for more update, please. Thanks so much for listening, okay?